Hey lovely, so yeah, this is a quick video. I'm showing you my hair oil that I just infused. I started it on the 10th of August, so I'm going to leave it for another 4 to 6 weeks max. If I feel I want to leave it longer, 8 weeks. And what I have in here is a simple dried rosemary, fenugreek, Amson, oregano powder. Yeah, my typical one is always maybe I have black seeds, I have amla powder and other herbs, but I'm going to keep it simple and see if that will still do its job. And the oil I'm using to infuse it is olive oil, but as a low porosity girl, I'm supposed to be using jojoba oil or coconut oil as I normally would use. But yes, olive oil still does it for me. I just apply it moderately twice a week or thrice a week, nothing too much, so that it doesn't cause build-up, excess dandruff, and so much more. So yes, I'm going to update you guys on the journey, because I want to restart my hair growth journey. It was at armpit length, then low iron cut it was breaking and I had to cut it short. I am back at shoulder length, so now I want to regrow and restart my hair journey with so many other steps I'm taking, as well as my medication, and I will keep you guys updated how the hair growth journey is going. But yes, this is just it. This is just my miracle in a jar, aside the other steps I would take, which is from deep conditioning, trims maybe every other 2 months, protein treatments, and of course low tension hairstyles and avoiding heat. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated by the time I'm done draining it and I start application.